Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn a mandala. So mostly we'll draw with dots, but we'll draw few things with the brushes also. So let's start. So this is a MDF board on which I have given a coat of gesso and then a coat of black paint. Okay, this is my compass, eraser, 1000 number brush, and one thick brush, any size, 6 number, it is round brush. These are the dotting tools. Eraser. This is Camlin's yellow ochre. This is Joshna's warm white. Camlin's permanent blue light. Camlin's antique gold. This is Joshna's metallic fluid, Naples yellow. This is KCK's acrylic gloss, olive green. This is Fevicryl's orange, Fevicryl's lemon yellow, red, crimson red it is, and this is black. So there are 2-3 methods in mass. What we do, we take one end as center and we draw an arc here, another arc here, third arc here, and fourth arc from here. And then wherever these 4 arcs intersect each other, we join them, the point of intersection, and then we make it as a center. Second and very simple method, which most of the 99% people use, is just put your scale ruler here and see the midpoint. This is 30 centimeter. So midpoint is at 15. Okay. Then next position, again find the midpoint. Make sure 1 is here at the edge and 30 is here. Again, midpoint. Like this, we will find at least at 10 places. And we'll make sure every time 1 is here and 30 is here. And then we will find the midpoint. Okay, so I got the midpoint here. This is the first one. Then just everything is approximate. So please don't worry about 1 centimeter, half centimeter. Okay, don't worry. It's all approximate. Now, third circle. Then after third circle, again double line. Then fourth circle. After fourth circle, again double line. So I'm drawing a line here. This will be my main diameter. I'll keep my protector here. And we will draw a 90-degree angle. And we are bisecting this circle. We'll make sure our values are perfect. We have divided our circle into 4 parts. Now we have to divide them into further parts. So I'm keeping my protractor here, and this is 90. So it is better to divide into 30, 30 and 30. This is white gel pen and I'm drawing the petals here. This is our first circle. We'll draw a big dot here. In this, we are drawing the petals. The type of lotus we are drawing, but in a different way. Our drawing is complete, and now I'm going to start the painting of little bit portion. I'm taking the gold color. After gold, I'm going to apply some light color. Now let's take some contrast color. To take some light color, maybe off-white, gold, I'm using green. So this lemon yellow, I'm changing into golden yellow. Then this is green, any shade of green you can use. Pink, this is the pink. This is lavender purple, but if you don't have, don't worry, any other shade you can use. You can use purple mixed with white. Changing this to aqua blue. I'm going to clean this place because Lots of lines are visible. So this is the thinnest brush. I'm using this yellow. I have taken white and I mix few drops of golden yellow in it. Now this green leaf also I have to give second coat. Now let's start the dot work. So we will use the contrast colors. Starting with this red. So this is orange. Now we have to take golden, and on the red we are going to do work with gold. So normally in gold we always mix the yellow so that in long term it won't turn black. We have used red here, so some contrast is better. Green, let's see how it looks. So I'm going to try orange in the center. Let's see how it looks. We are going to use white in the center. Now we have to use some dark color on this part. This is royal blue. I'm trying red on the top of orange. I'm going to use a big tool now. We will use blue on the pink. Again, dark blue or light blue, any blue you can use. I'm going to use light green, very light green. Red and blue. We can either use green or red or black. or even this pink we can use. So on the leaf, we should have some bright light color, lemon yellow. I hope you liked the tutorial. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the information about my YouTube channel. Dhanyavad. Namaste.